You don't have to understand how to rap to be good at rapping. You'd be surprised how many of your favorite artists don't understand on a scientific level what they're already doing. Like if you've ever seen me break down a rapper's song, I break down the rhyme schemes, I break down the rap flows, and I show you this is why it sounds the way it does. And that's my way of teaching and helping you gain a deeper understanding of what you're hearing, but that's not how they made the song. But when they made this song, they're just going off of feeling. And so it's possible to be really good at something, but not be able to understand it in an intellectual way to where you can explain what you're doing to other people or even teach people how to do what you're doing. Those are two different skills. But I will say this, understanding how to rap, understanding how it works certainly can help you out. It can expedite that learning process, that development process. And it can also, I think, help you even become a better rapper, or we'll say a more diverse rapper, because if you have that understanding, then you can keep pushing things in different directions of ways that you may not have thought of once you understand it. So it can demystify this thing that we're doing called rapping, and it can give you even more ideas of things that you could try out you normally wouldn't do. And if you want to level up your rap skills, grab the Rap Essentials bundle, which has 3 free rap courses packed with all the core lessons you need to perfect your craft. And the best part, it's 100% free. Just hit that link in my profile like it stole something from you to get instant access.
Gah! You hit me!